To ensure that the cash register and the card terminal work, both need to be connected to the same network. Here's how to connect your card terminal to the internet. Press the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Wi-Fi settings and connect to your network. Log into the cash register. Go to Admin. Press the Integrations tab. Press the Payment Terminal button. Select the PAX tab. Click on Pair the terminal with the cash register. Click the three dots in the upper right corner and select Pair. A QR code will appear, along with 3 fields of information that need to be entered into the cash register. It is very important that everything matches exactly on both the card terminal and the cash register. Once you have entered the information, click Pair. It should then show pairing successful on both screens. Click Save and then restart the program. The card terminal is now ready to use.